Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use an ice maker. Right here I have a glass right here, and if you look at the ice maker, there's switches right here. You have the on-off switch. You can actually turn it on and off for the lock. Okay, you have the type of dispensing that you want right here. You have crushed, or you can have cubed. Alright, and then there's also a light which will light up when you are using the thing. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Right, but I'm going to turn it off just for camera purposes, or maybe I'll keep it on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glass, I'm going to make sure the lock is off, and I kind of want cubed ice, so I'm going to take my cup, I'm going to press it in, and it gives me cubed ice just like that. Or you can switch it to crushed ice. Do you see that? Crushed ice. Alright, so that's a switch right here, the light. And then if your water is hooked up to the ice maker, it will actually have water come out. But this, I don't have it hooked up, so water's not going to come out. But that's how you use an ice maker on your refrigerator. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.